Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
Tank Man Joe,
we are going to review Trader Joe's
okay.
organic dark chocolate PB&J minis. And for those of you uninitiated, PB&J means peanut butter and jelly.
I'm pretty sure most people will know what PB&J means.
We can't make those assumptions because
Some people might be so stupid that they think we are talking about pumpkin and jello bites. What?
so here we are. Organic chocolates with peanut butter and raspberry fruit fillings. Fruit filling. So I guess the raspberry fruit filling is supposed to be the jelly. Full disclosure, I don't like raspberry.
If you don't like raspberries, get out.
I really don't.
Raspberry's the best.
I can't stand, I mean, the fruit flavor itself is fine. It's just those tiny little pits.
That's the best part.
When you're eating something,
Yeah.
and for me, I have a problem with consistency. I mean, I like oranges, but I don't like orange juice, especially if it has pulp in it. I think that's disgusting.
Pulp's the best part.
Yeah, see, so it's rough time for me. Anyway, so that's what we have here. Organic chocolates with peanut butter and raspberry fruit filling. This was something that was in the back shelf or back row, Trader Joe's, where they have all their new items that just dropped in. So I saw this and I snatched it up because I said, hey, let's try it. A serving size, 3 pieces, and you will be consuming 190 calories, 12 grams of fat, 0 grams of trans fat. So those are things that you're looking at. There you have it. So let's give this a try. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow, look at this. Here you go.
Ooh, they're in a little package.
I'm thinking this will be a great stocking stuffer, or or probably to put inside an Easter basket or something, So yeah, you can see it's individually wrapped. Small little thing. So let's give it a try. Oh wow, as I look at Tanks.
They look squarer than I thought.
But it looks just think about this. This looks like something you will see in one of those open counters, like at Godiva. It's so perfect shaped.
Yeah, but it'll melt in your hands in 1 second.
Okay, ready to try?
Yeah.
Let's try. That's the inside. We tried some dark chocolate covered almond butter. Remember that? That chocolate was really good. That chocolate was great. This chocolate tastes a little bit short. Maybe it's because my husband will say, oh, because it's organic. As if something being organic means is nasty.
It does.
Or is lacking, but okay. I haven't encountered any of those little raspberry pits.
I didn't either.
So that's a plus. And you ate the whole thing? And I'm sitting here just holding one with one bite out of it. Okay, so I guess we can see how this is going to go. All right, so on a scale of 1 to 4, 4 meaning I will buy this again for my personal consumption, and a 1 meaning I will make a hard pass on it, I am giving this a 1. a hard pass.
What?
Hard pass.
What?
I'm gonna tell you why.
No.
There's too much going on here.
What?
There's too much.
It's chocolate, peanut butter, and jelly. What? How much?
Too much going on.
How is peanut butter, jelly, and chocolate too many ingredients? That's 3 ingredients. You drink kombucha that has like 7 billion ingredients. What?
You know what? Less is more.
If less is more, then are you saying 29 Skittles is more than 30 Skittles? What?
Less is more. 2 things, chocolate and peanut butter. Perfect. Why ruin it? But then when you start adding, let's throw in some, Trader Joe's has something called cowboy, what was it, cowboy mix?
bark.
Or cowboy bark, right? Okay, if you go to Trader, and I'm not going to buy it for a tasty fine,
Because it's nasty.
because
Hey everyone, welcome to another Dynamic Do It Yourself video. Today, in this video, it's another Tasty Finds. We are going to be trying some cowboy bark.
all right, I'm going to review this on its own, okay? I'm not even going to compare this to the cowboy bark. But to me, it's too much going on here. The raspberry, I don't know. It's not to my satisfaction. So yes, I'll give it a 1. What do you say, Tank?
I give it a 4. These are delicious. Very delicious.
I would give you this half.
But you bit out of it.
Yes, and some people might think that was kind of gross online, so I will kindly sit this down.
What? Eat it! Eat it! Why are you putting it back? Just eat the thing. It's delicious.
This costs $2.99
And it's worth that $2.99.
for 8 pieces. Do the math. Yeah, no. All right, so there you have it. Good. This would be for you.
Thank you.
Sometimes. Anyway, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down.
Stop. If you like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Yes, that's
Subscribe to my channel and don't subscribe to hers.
Look, they're already here, so you're on your own, buddy.
Link in description for my channel.
Okay. So anyway, until next time.